Who told you coming home couldn't make you the gentrifier? Black Americans, we say we are returning to Africa. But when our American dollars enter an African community, who benefits and who gets pushed out? For generations, we were denied land in America. Our communities were redlined, our neighborhoods were demolished, and our people were displaced by highways, luxury developments, rising rents and property taxes. We know what it feels like to watch outsiders enter our community, buy the land, raise the prices, and then tell us we can no longer afford to live there. So how could we possibly repeat that history in Africa? Look at what is happening in parts of Ghana. Diaspora buyers arrive with dollars. Developers advertise luxury apartments. Land prices rise. Rents are quoted in American currency. Long-term homes become short-term rentals, and some local workers cannot afford to live near the communities they serve. Now, let me be clear. Black Americans did not create Africa's housing crisis. Government policies, local elites, developers, foreign corporations, land speculation, and wealthy investors were already involved. But we must ask ourselves an uncomfortable question. Are we helping to solve the problem, or are we becoming another profitable part of it? You can be black and still participate in displacement. You can love Africa and still exploit African purchasing power. You can call it coming home, but if the people already living there must leave when you arrive, what exactly have you returned home to? Being part of the African diaspora does not automatically make every investment an act of liberation. Our intentions may be ancestral, but our economic impact can still become colonial. Ubuntu teaches us, I am because we are. That means returning home can not only be about what Africa can provide for us, it must also be about what we contribute, what we protect, and what we build together. Buy property, but do not participate in stealing land from families. Build businesses, but include local ownership. Employ people, but pay fair wages. Develop communities, but protect affordable housing. Partner with African entrepreneurs instead of treating them as inexpensive labor. Do not build another isolated American enclave with African scenery. Build relationships. Build institutions. Build shared ownership. Build the power of we, Black Americans. Africa needs more than our money. Africa needs our integrity, our skills, our technology, and our commitment to collective ownership. We should not return as tourists searching for paradise. We should return as family prepared to accept responsibility. Because if our arrival makes local Africans strangers in their own communities, then we have not come home. We have simply brought America with us. I am Ubuntu King. This is the African Ubuntu Global Network. We are not building followers. We are rebuilding a family. Tell me in the comments, are Black Americans returning to Africa or gentrifying it?